Welcome back to Maple and Saffron. Today I am making a main dish that is easy and you can have it put together in pretty quick time. I have short ribs marinating in third cup soy sauce, third cup water, third cup brown sugar, tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 chives, chopped green onions, whatever you call them, 1 garlic clove minced, and they've been marinating for about 4-ish hours, but make sure to marinate them at least 3. And then I have white rice, plain jasmine rice going, and some tomatoes, cucumbers, green onions, cilantro, and a very exciting addition to the house, a lettuce bowl. So hopefully we can save some money on the lettuce because it should keep growing, hopefully. And here is a trick for anyone who doesn't know. If you get chives, green onions, whatever, and they still have roots on the end, you can stick them in a cup of water and they will continue to grow, and you just cut them from the top. Just make sure you change your water out every few days and wash the ends so they don't get slimy and yucky. But for now, I am going to put the meat on the barbecue. Alright, the meat is cooked, the rice is cooked, everything is ready. So I usually put a little bit of rice wine vinegar and sesame oil on rice when I'm doing dishes like this. Just then it's kind of in place of a sauce. If you don't want to make a sauce and you don't want the sweet, adds a bit of flavor to the rice. So the meat I cooked on medium on the barbecue for about 5 minutes aside, and it's good. One of the great things with this is everybody can make their own. They can decide how much of everything they want on, if it wants to be mixed, if it wants to be on the side. Totally up to whoever is making it. I also like making this dish with vermicelli. It's a little bit, you can wash the vermicelli and make it cold so it's more fresh for summer. Anyways, that's it. That is my inspiration for your supper tonight.